Dear viewers and learners, Assalamu alaikum. Azik video यह preamble यानी यसन deal करान Constitution of India से याथ लेखान soul of the Constitution वह वो ये अत मुतालिक liner question बनामित गोडनुक कई वो soul of the Constitution यानी preamble यह अत कई वो soul of the Constitution अत वो Justice M. Hidayatullah, yem saat case ho chala in Golaknath versus State of Punjab case, Justice M. Hidayatullah referred preamble as the soul of their constitution. When was the objective resolution introduced in the Constituent Assembly? Karavye Assembly must introduce karna objective resolution 13th December 1946. Which part of the Constitution of India declares India as a secular state? In a secular state, Karvanuk Katmazayavan Sasa preamble of the Constitution. The exact meaning of secular in Indian context is equal respect for all religions and no specific association of the state with any religion. India as a republic refers to India as a republic refers to Tamil meaning no hereditary ruler in India, absence of monarchy. How many types of justice is enshrined in the preamble? 3. Yani social justice, economic justice and political justice. India adopted for which form of democracy? Indian form of democracy is adopted karmas representative parliamentary democracy. Yath lekhan RPD yani representative parliamentary democracy. Preamble was amended in which year? 1976 yani 42th Amendment Act is gomut 1976 gomut yem sati preamble of amendment karne. Which words were inserted through 42th Amendment Act in preamble? Kum words ay atma insert karne katmaz 42th Amendment in the preamble tatmaz av karne socialist, secular and integrity. Who referred preamble as the identity card to the Constitution? Yas identity card to the Constitution kayum won ye N.A. Paul Likhwala. Who referred preamble as the identity card to the Constitution? N.A. Paul Kinwala. What is meant by sovereignty in Indian context? Independent authority of state. The word equality mentioned in the preamble are supplemented by which articles of the Indian Constitution? Article 14 to 18, Article 325 to 26, Article 39. What collectively refers to as distributive justice? Social, economic justice, Article 15, 16, 39D, Article 38(2), Article 39B and Article 39C. What form of socialism was adopted in India in 1976 via amendment of the preamble? Yani democratic socialism. Sources of preamble kya chu? Isi country the source kya chu? Yani Constitution of India chu yasa chu borrowing bag. यानी बाकियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वॉजम ते पत अडॉप्ट कोर्मुत गोड वुचो कंट्री USSR अम पे क्या तुलमुत आइडल्स ऑफ जस्टिस फ्रेंच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे तुलमुत रिपब्लिक एंड द आइडल्स ऑफ लिबर्टी इक्वालिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी यम आइडल्स यम जन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया मज लिबर्टी इक्वालिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी यम बारो कर्मुत फ्रॉम द फ्रेंच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Preamble किसी वीडियो preamble यह पान बारो आमद कर फ्रॉम अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. वो वो preamble गोडनेथ वो preamble क्या we the people of India having solemnly resolved to Constitution of India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, political liberty of thought expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. You see, वो पे we the people of India यह क्या शो करान यह करान ये बनोत preamble highlight ये nature of state nature of state preamble मन करान sovereign socialist secular democratic republic यह nature of the state यानी sovereign socialist secular democratic republic यह लिखुत ये preamble मज sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. I'm push source of authority यानी सु करान deal with the people. हसा करान source of authority. I'm पर objectives of the constitution. Objectives of the constitution क्या छु? Justice, liberty. यानी लिखुत justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. You see, preamble divide into 4 parts. You see, line preamble, nature of state, source of authority, objectives of the constitution, date of adoption of Indian constitution. Nature of state sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Source of authority we the people. Objectives of the constitution justice provide to the people, liberty equality, fraternity, unity and integrity. Date of adoption of the Indian constitution adopt Indian constitution 26th November 1949. In our constitution, on our constituent assembly, this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. One Supreme Court judgments relate to the preamble. Usually is Supreme Court and kya judgment is this regarding the preamble. Kodnekuch Bureau Barry Union case 1960 asmas yimo kya won? Yimo one preamble is not a part of the Indian constitution. Inasum part of Indian constitution ke Kishvina Ananda Bhartiya case, Yemo 1973, Yemo preamble is part of the Indian constitution. Byak LIC India case 1995, Yemo preamble is an integral part of the Indian constitution. So on executive videos, ya source preamble, यानी Indian constitution preamble क्या छु? तो ऐसी वीडियो पसंद आमत, तुई करियो like, तुई करियो share, तुई करियो subscribe. God bless you.